Hey guys, Dan here, and I was actually not going to do a free chart video this weekend just because it's a 3-day weekend and like nobody looks at this stuff anyway. But my boss requires me to do one, or I will be acting in bad faith, and all manner of hell will rain down on me. So here we go. Okay, AMC. In the forum today in Stock Market Mentor, our premium website, I was telling people early in the morning, I said, hey, it's another day, AMC above 30. But then fairly quickly, we didn't turn bearish, but it's more like, I'm looking at the potential risk versus the reward. And after this breakout from here, this stock in like 3 days, counting this day, 4 days went from 15 to 30 bucks. I mean, at some point, especially on a Friday before a 3-day weekend, at some point you got to say, hey man, enough's enough. And so we see people coming to the door, going to the exits, right? And so we can look at this on the intraday chart, and you'll see what I was looking at. So over the last few days, I'm going to expand this a little bit. I'll keep it there. Okay. Over the last few days, this is on the 26th, Wednesday, stock gaps up, and then at least it keeps going. It doesn't really pull back that much. It ground around for the rest of the day, giving morning traders an opportunity to lose all the money they made here. It happens every damn time. And then the next day, again, the stock breaks out and runs. It pulls back, kind of dances around a little bit, and then et cetera, et cetera. So finally, boom, we get this big move to the upside. This was trading below 30 before the stock opened up. I know because I traded it. And then the stock runs up, over 20% in the very early part of the day. And then you see it did a complete pivot, and it was on volume. So if you look at the volume 5-minute bar chart here, huge volume, as you'll see in the morning, right when the market opens, and typically at the close as well. But here we see big volume to the upside. It looks like it's going to the moon. And then you see this type of thing, and you say, oh, okay, this was an exhaustion gap. This was like the last of the Mohicans finally buying the stock that they've been waiting to buy. This is the shorts that have been shorting the stock finally saying, I can't take any more. And so they're buying, and then, hope springs eternal, I'm back in. And then we get this for the rest of the day. So that is a way that you can spot the top. You don't have to ride this stuff all the way down. You have to just recognize what was the proper breakout point, and it's from right here, 15 bucks. What was the proper breakout point? And then where has the stock gone since then, and how fast has it gone there? Okay, so you're not looking for a continuation move. You're looking for a reversal move, and that's what we got here. So anyway, hope this helps, and I will see you Tuesday. This is Dan at stockmarketmentor.com.